Hello traders out there. So you're welcome to my trading session. So right now I'm not actually trading because this is Bitcoin and this is the first time that I'm considering that I should because I've been trading the gold market for about 7 months right now. It is only the gold market that I've been trading. So recently, and due to that, my winning rate is very high trading the gold market. So I decided that okay, I want to actually choose another pair that I should add to my trading arsenal. So I decided that okay, I'm going to backtest the gold I'm going to backtest the Bitcoin market, and I want to see how it actually reacts in the market, and probably and that if my trading strategy actually work in the Bitcoin market as well. Okay, I know that this is on the side of cryptocurrency, and gold is relates to forex trading, right? But I just believe that based on my trading plan, and because I've not really done enough wraps, like I've not really done enough backtesting on the Bitcoin market, but the little backtesting that I have done on Bitcoin market, I've seen that my strategy is actually working on Bitcoin market as well. So I just want to review the Bitcoin market to you right now. I want to see, based on technical analysis, I want to see how price is reacting. I want to see I want to build a data. I want to build a trading data for the Bitcoin market. So this is the first time I'm going to do this because I've been trading gold for some time right now. So, and this is the first time I'm going to be analyzing the Bitcoin market live on the live you watching me on the screen right now. So let me get right into the session right now. So we see that this is the Bitcoin market, and Bitcoin has been crashing down for about how many days right now? Almost 360 days. This is 276 days. Almost. This is how many months right now? This is how many months? Let me just calculate that. This is 276 probably divided by 30 days. So this is almost 9 months. Bitcoin has been selling for 9 months plus right now. You can imagine that. If you are a trader, and or let me just say this based on my own experience. If I had started trading the Bitcoin market in the past 276 days, man, I would have made some amount of like massive profit in the Bitcoin market. But that is if I had. But right now, let me just analyze this and and see what potentially I should be looking out for. So right now I can see that this is the daily time frame, and I also see that there is a break of structure. There is a daily break of structure at this zone. Definitely this level right there is the last level that price actually started the buying trend. All right, so since we have that, currently price has already tapped into this daily demand zone, right? So let me see. This is based on this. So this is daily time frame, and price has been making series of lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. Now this is the next lower low. Right now price has already made lower highs. Now should I expect price to keep selling to the downside? I cannot predict. I don't predict the market. I don't know where price is going. I'm just building a technical data that actually prove my trading strategy. So right now sorry about that. So right now the Bitcoin market has been crashing down, and if I want to see how price is actually doing right there, do we have a break of structure to the downside there? Let me check that. This is the last low, and in fact this is too wide, so I think I should just use this, because this is the recent lower low, right? This is the recent lower low. So right now, do we have a break of structure right there? Now we don't have a break of structure, because this is a liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity sweep. So right now, potentially, what should we be expecting? I don't know, but one thing is that I'm going to mark out my supply zone, because price has been selling to the downside. So right now, I'm going to mark my supply zone from at the top right there. Okay, at the top right there, this is a supply zone here, and I also have another supply zone right there, and another one I have is around this zone. Yeah, somewhere around this zone. Okay, so this is the supply zone that we have on the Bitcoin market. So right now, I'm going to, it's just based on how price is going to react in the next few days, or in the next few weeks. All right, that's going to give me the idea of what to do. But right now, I can't really say that I'm going to buy this Bitcoin market or I'm going to sell. But one thing is that I know for sure is that if price did not break this high, and I see a potentially market shift in the lower time frame at this zone, then I'm going to sell the Bitcoin to the downside. Now, if I'm going to expect, okay, probably I want to buy this Bitcoin market, potentially I will expect price to actually break this high, creating a market shift around there, retest this zone, okay, this demand zone right there, before I take my buy trade. All right, so I don't know yet. It depends on how price reacts at this zone. Okay, it depends on how price react at this zone. So right now, you don't want to rush into trade. You don't want to take unnecessary actions. You need to learn to wait for price to react before you place that buy or sell button. So right now, I'm not trading with emotion. I'm just analyzing the market based on structure, because I know that price is structured. It is not random. So right now, until next week that I'm going to get back on this chart, that is when I can say, okay, I can decide on which direction of price I should trade. So traders, don't take unnecessary actions. Learn from this, because today is Friday and this month is almost coming to an end. So we want to wait. We want to have so much patience for price to actually present itself to me or to you before we take that trade. So trader, that is my trade idea based on this Bitcoin market, and I am going to see you next in my video. Thank you for watching.